Okay, what is going on, tycoons? For today's video, I am going to give you guys a tutorial on how to set a stop loss. Okay, um, and this is something really effective. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to do it on the Robinhood platform. You guys can do it on most brokerages offer a stop loss. It just looks a little bit different. I know Robinhood is very popular. Okay, so we're going to be looking on the desktop version. Okay, it might look a little bit different on the mobile platform, but overall the concept is still going to be the same, and you will have the same options available on your screen. Okay, it may just look a little bit different if you're doing it from mobile. Okay, so real quick, just to show you guys how to do it, because I didn't have any shares at all. I didn't own any shares at all in my Robinhood account. I don't really use this. I just bought a share of SNDL at market price. Okay, it filled it at 80 cents. So let's say you're looking at SNDL right now. You think it's going to go up, and you're doing what's called buying the dip. Okay, because as you can see, it dipped down. Okay, and it's starting to recover. And so you're saying, okay, well, hey, I'm buying the dip. All right, and Robinhood shows you the 1-day chart. Okay, what I want you to do whenever you buy shares, okay, as a way to protect yourself, as a way to set a stop limit, is go to the 3-month chart, okay, and try to find your next support level, okay? So currently we're way up here in this area right here, all right, and we haven't come back down to retest this level right here, 72, okay? Um, this could be another one right here around 72, okay? So this is 2 times that this has been a resistance level. So resistance was when it goes up and then it falls down here. So resistance here fell down. We got back up to 72. Resistance here fell down, okay? So what I want you guys to do is to learn what support and resistance is and how to use those and set yourself a stop loss, okay, as a way to protect yourself if things do not go right and things don't go up, okay, and things fall. You can get yourself out of the play, all right, save some money, not lose everything, and then enter a new position once the stock has bottomed out and has reached its lows. Then you can get back in and ride the momentum back up, okay? Because all stocks go up and down. It's a process, all right? So this 72 was a resistance level. So now that we're trading above it, it's no longer going to be a resistance level. It's going to be a support level. So 72 is now going to be our support level, okay? We had a resistance up here at 79, which is right around 80 cents, okay? That's currently what the stock is trading at right now, 79 cents. As you can see, that was an old resistance, and it's now being flipped to support, okay? So it came up here, fell. That means it was resistance. All right, now the stock is trading way above it. It was at 92 cents. So whenever it falls back down, 79 cents, 80 cents is going to be an area of support, okay? So we could be catching support at this 80 cents mark, the 79 cents mark. So that's why, let's say I bought in right now my SNDL shares, okay? Now my stop loss in case things go wrong is going to be 72 because I know below 72, the stock can go to 67 or it can go to 64, okay? So I don't want to buy in at 80 and then I don't want my shares to go down to 67 and go down to 64, okay? Worst case scenario, I will get out of the play at 72, and if it falls back to 64 or lower than 64, I can buy back in, and now, instead of losing 8 cents a share, okay, I'm now able to get this stock for 8 cents a share cheaper than what I originally had it, okay? So that's a way to protect yourself. We'll go ahead and dive right into it, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to go to sell, and you're going to go to stop loss, okay? And basically you would just enter your price. All right, so we would put 0.72. All right, and so if SNDL, well, actually, okay, so 72 is going to be our support level. So your stop loss is basically going to be right below it. Okay, so we'll make it 0.71. All right, so now if SNDL goes below 0.72 and starts trading at 0.71, okay, you would hit review order, and I'll just go ahead and hit sell so you guys can see you guys are placing a good for day. Also real quick, so expires, okay, There's two ways to do it. If you're day trading, you can do expiration good for day. But if you're not day trading, okay, what you need to do is you need to change this till good till canceled. Okay. So if your order does not execute today, meaning by like 4 p.m. or 4:30 p.m., if you have after hours trading enabled, it'll expire in 90 days. So this gives you 90 days. Okay. And if you don't stop out of your order in 90 days, okay, you can pretty much rest assured that, okay, well, the stock is either trading right around where I bought it at, or it's higher because my stop loss has not been triggered. So now you can comfortably buy your shares. Let's say you're in college, you're young in college, or you've graduated, you've got kids, and you're working full time. All right, and you don't have time to monitor or day trade, but you want to try swing trading or you want to try long term investing. What you can do is you can buy things at price levels that you like them at, and you can set these stop losses with good till canceled, and it gives you 90 days, okay, to be worry free. All right, because you're not going to worry because you came into the plan knowing, all right, I bought at 80. I don't have to worry about this play because if something goes wrong, I'm going to be out at 71 cents a share. Okay, so you shouldn't have to worry about if it drops down to 71, because you know, and you're not worried, you're comfortable selling there. Okay, you're comfortable getting rid of your shares and getting back in at a cheaper price. So you should feel really good. And if it hits, then okay, you sold and now it's time to look for a re-entry. And if your stop loss hasn't triggered, within those 90 days, you can periodically check on it once a week, once a month, once every 2 months, and see if you're in profit. And if you're in profit, you can go ahead and take profit. You can sell some of your position, sell half of your position, or you can just, keep holding. So I really hope you guys like this video. I hope it made sense. I hope that it was an easy walkthrough. And let me know if you guys have any more tutorial requests or anything like that, any stocks you want me to analyze. I can go ahead and make whatever my audience wants. You guys are my audience. I'm just trying to deliver to you guys and, please the audience. Okay. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to join the Options Trading Tycoons Discord, you can use code Zachly, like the channel name ZachlyTrades, and get your self a discount on the membership. Okay. Thank you guys for watching.